Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, before starting my session, let us discuss in short about the question paper which I gave you through WhatsApp groups created for boys and girls. The question paper is uh, about MCQ multiple choice questions where 15 questions you need to answer which carries 1 mark each, and if the question paper is solved or if the question paper is not solved, so I suggest if it is solved it's well and good. If it is not solved, please go with solving the question paper, because keeping the record and making yourself to involve mm, towards your studies and learning, so it's a must for you to produce the document when the school reopens. So that's why don't invite the problem. Keep yourself safer towards your learning. Then come to the point. So we were discussing about preamble and its philosophy. So preamble, it's a short introductory note which reflects, which guides, which explains about uh, aims, objectives, principles, thoughts, philosophy, uh, ideology of Indians who came forward for adding their thoughts in the Constitution of India. Then philosophy, it is mainly written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru with the due inspiration from the constitutions and the preamble of the Constitution of South Africa, the Constitution of US, the Constitution of France. So the preamble, it provides proper appreciation for each and everyone, one who goes on reading the preamble with understanding about aims, goals, and aspirations which are mainly mentioned in our constitution. So some of the important aims, goals, thoughts mentioned in our constitution, they are sovereign, secularism, socialist, democratic republic, and others also, like justice, fraternity, dignity, and others. So along with that, uh, these thoughts, beliefs mentioned in our constitution, mentioned in our preamble, so they are the um, assured thoughts to the people, one who can make use, enjoy, uh, to improve, to lead minimum level of living or standardization of their living. For assuring these to the people, so fundamental rights are mainly guaranteed, and along with that, along with this, even some other means and measures, services to the people are also mentioned in our constitution in the form of directive principles of state policy, and along with that, even fundamental duties also got implemented in our constitution, so that people can make use, people can be controlled to live and lead peaceful life in the society. So with this, let us complete the chapter. Let us begin the other part of our subject after the after this particular session. So let's meet uh, one more topic or one more chapter from the subject in tomorrow's session. So stay at home, stay safe. Take care of yourself. Thank you one and all.